Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome to the very first video of Andy, and I'm going to go back here on Discord, and I have a trade ideas for you guys. So basically, I'm trying to solve some of your time and save your time by looking at different patterns that you can trade and make money out of those patterns in my channel called Trade Ideas, which is absolutely free of cost. You don't pay me anything, and I do the work behind the scenes, and I whatever I'm looking at day to day, because I'm a full-time trader almost, and I find something good, I share it with you. This is not signal, but this is for those traders who are looking for something to trade or a pattern to trade, and they just do not have the time to look at things, or maybe they're not having good ideas. I post them for you, and I post the best ideas based on that day, of course. So if you want to be a part of Discord for absolutely free, just comment Discord and I'm going to give you the invitation link. Okay, now speaking of Andy, I also was on Atom Trades, and I was talking about Andy, that I want to try Andy at some point. So I want to show you that. Where was Andy? Right here. Okay, Andy is definitely a try. I have 5 to 6 setups, but this was something I was looking forward to. Andy, because you have left shoulder, head, right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, break up, move down. Probably this could have been where I enter the trade and we ride it all the way to the upside. Now, unfortunately, for circumstances and whatever crypto does, Bitcoin started going down, and when Bitcoin started going down, you can already notice that this was left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break up, came down. I wanted to take the entry right over there, but unfortunately it actually failed the retest. You can see that, yeah, you even came under the you came under the resistance here, and then you just failed to hold this support at the moment. And then even worse, there was another trend line, which was a touch and a move up, a touch and a move up, another little bit of a touch, but then again you also failed, and now you've come a little bit to the lowest part of it. So maybe after all, if the worst case scenario that can happen is that Andy totally comes all the way to the downside, but there's one little bit of support that I'm going to talk about. So I'm going to remove all the drawings, and I am going to grab the fib retracement. So from the bottom to the top, the next big support that you probably may look forward to is actually down to 0.0367. Okay, so 367 can act as a massive support. Just notice how we lost the 0.5, and it looks like we're going to come down to 0.618, and that's 0.00367. okay, you're trading at 400, probably 367, and you also previously had this little bit of support right here, so you can actually do something like this, consolidate a little bit, and maybe come up, make a double bottom here, and then start to push back up one more time. Worst case scenario is that you lose the 0.618 and you just drop absolutely down to 233. So this is just my view on this one. 0.618 is a good, nice support, number one. If you lose that, then your next best friend is 233. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.